Hi, Jonah Bear. We're making a video for Aunt Amy, so you can tell her how much you love her. Yeah? Yeah, that much, huh? Yeah. You tell her that you met Tad Jackson? Are you stinky? Yeah, he's a little stinky. You're a little stinky, though. Oh, tell her about the airplane. You went on an airplane ride? Yeah? Go fast. Go fast. Yeah? You don't say. Tell us more. Yeah. We love you, Jonah Bear. Yeah. We think you're the sweetest boy ever. Yeah, your Aunt Amy loves you. She does. She does. You have people all over the world who love you. Yeah? Oh, does that make you happy? Yeah. You're a handsome boy. You're a sweet boy. Sweet, sweet boy. Okay, we're signing off now. Say bye.